Okay. Hello, morning. Morning once again, students.
Good morning.
3/3. And welcome back to our online class today. Today is Wednesday. We are now in the month of December. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. Okay, so we are now in the last month of the year. 2022 is coming. Okay, so welcome to our class this morning. This is your time schedule. Don't forget and don't be absent. Okay, so to continue our lessons about length. So last time we have learned how to compare length and how to estimate and how to measure length using different measuring tools. And this morning class, we are going to learn about converting units of length. So how to convert centimeters to meters, something like that. Okay, so listen carefully, follow the presentation, look at the screen. If you don't understand, you can ask question later. Okay, so just follow converting units of length. So always remember this relationship between units of length. So but here 1 centimeter, how many millimeters? Equivalent to 10 millimeters. 1 meter, how many centimeters? Equivalent to 100 centimeters. And 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. Okay, so memorize that one so that it is easy for you to convert units of length. Okay, look at here. Sample. Convert 170 centimeters into meters and centimeters. How will you do it? Convert 170 centimeters into meters and centimeters. Very easy. You just do like this. So take note that 1 meter is,
Meter.
yeah, very good, Gail.
20
Yes. Okay. So,
centimeters.
okay, thank you. Very good, Gail. So remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 plus, because you cannot add if the units are not the same. So 100 centimeters plus 70 centimeters. So 100 centimeters equals to 1 meter and 70 centimeters. So it looks like this. 170 meters, so in meters here, centimeters, so 100 centimeters or 1 meter, and the other one is 70 centimeters, like that. So that's the answer, 1 meter, because you are asked to convert into meters and centimeters. So the answer is 1 meter and 70 centimeters. Okay, another example here. There's a situation here. So look at the screen. Let me read it for you. Just follow teacher here. Somsak purchased 3 meters and 50 centimeters of rope. How long is the rope in centimeters? Convert. What is the answer? How long is the rope in centimeters? 3 meters and 50 centimeters. You can follow. Do you have any answer there? If you are quick to solve, you can tell the answer. 3 meters and 50 centimeters. So 300 because
100.
What's your answer? Take note. 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. And you are asked to convert into centimeters. So 3 meters equals 300 centimeters. So 300 plus 50. The answer is 350 centimeters. So the rope is how long? 350 centimeters long in centimeters. Okay, if you convert this into centimeters. All right, just follow there. Another example here. Look at here. How many meters in a 700 centimeters long string? 700 centimeters to meters. Convert into meters.
7 meters.
7 meters.
Okay, very good. Very easy, right? 7 meters because 700 divided by 100. So we will know later that steps or principles. So just follow there. The string is 7 meters long because we are asked how many meters. 700 centimeters long of string. Okay, another example here. Look at here. A building is 855 centimeters tall. What is the length or the height of the building in meters and centimeters? Take note. The building is 855 centimeters long. Okay, what's the answer? In meters and centimeters?
6 meters.
8 meters and
8 meters.
55 centimeters.
Oh,
5
very good.
centimeters.
Very good. That's correct. Very good. So 800 centimeters plus 55. So 8 meters and 55 centimeters. So the height of the building is 8 meters and 55 centimeters. Because we are asked to convert, to give the measurement in meters and centimeters. So problem like this class, you need to understand the question. If you are asked to measure in meters and centimeters, you have to solve in meters and centimeters based on the problem and the question. Okay, another one here. A drinking glass has a height of 14 centimeters, 5 millimeters. Question, what is the height in millimeters? Okay, what is the height? So
145 millimeters.
145.
1 centimeters equals 10, right? Millimeters. So 14, this is 1 times 10 times 10. So you have here equals 140. Yeah. Plus 5 millimeters. You are correct. Very good. 145 millimeters. So the height of the glass is 145 millimeters. Okay, like that. Okay. Another one here, the last problem here. She traveled 26 kilometers, 680 meters by bus from town A town A to town B. What is the distance between town A and town B in meters? Convert in meters. What is the answer? 26 kilometers, 680.
Equal to
Number
1,600
1.
and equal 1,000 meters.
1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters.
Meters.
Okay, so what is the answer here? 26 times 1,000. 26 times 1,000. So
26 times
26,000.
4.
26,000 plus 680 meters. So the answer is 26,680 meters, because you are asked to convert in meters. So you have here the answer. 26 kilometers equivalent to 26,000 meters plus 680, and you got the answer here, 26,680 meters. All right, that's it. Okay, now let's go to the principles in conversion of units of length. Okay, let's go to the steps or what to do, the rules. Look at here. If you convert from millimeters to centimeters, what to do is to what? To convert millimeters to
Divide.
centimeters, divide by 10.
10.
Teacher, why divide 10? Because 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeters. For example, okay, 40 millimeters to centimeters. So 40 divided by 10 is,
Equal 4 centimeters.
yes, 4 centimeters. Like that. You just divide by 10. Another example here. Convert 70 millimeters to centimeters. So
7 centimeters.
3 divide 10 equals 7
7
centimeters.
centimeters.
Right? That's it. Very easy, right? Next. Another one here. If you convert centimeters to millimeters, you just what? Let me erase this one first. Okay. What to do to convert from centimeters to millimeters? Multiply times 10. Okay, times 10, because 1 centimeter equivalent to 10. So times 10. So example, 852 centimeters to millimeters times 10. What's the answer? That's the answer. Okay, I will show you here the answer. 8,520 millimeters. Okay, so just multiply by 10. Another example here. How about this? Convert 110 centimeters to millimeters. Times 10. What's the answer? Huh? 110
equal
equals.
The
The answer is times 10. 110 times 10 equals 1,100. 100 centimeters equals to 1,100 millimeters. So remember, huh? Times 10. Next, let's proceed to the next rule here. From centimeters to meters, what will you do? So look at here. To convert centimeters to meters, class, just divide the length in centimeters by 100. Okay, because 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. Divide by 100. Example, 200 centimeters, 2 meters. What's the answer? Convert 200 meters to centimeters. No, centimeters to meters.
Equal
200
2
divided
meters.
by 100
2
equals
meters.
2
2
meters.
meters.
Very good. So just divide by 100. You get the answer, 2 meters. Another example here. Convert 500 centimeters to meters. 500 divided by 100 equals
Equal 5
oh,
5 meters.
5 meter only. Fresh. You're right.
No, 500.
Okay. 5 meters only. Fresh. So divide 100 equals 5 meters. Okay, just divide by 100. That's how we convert from centimeters to meters. How about from meters to centimeters? What will you do?
Meters to centimeters.
To convert
Times.
meters to centimeters. What happened to this?
Multiply the range.
Let me change this one. I forgot. I'm just copy paste it. To
Copy and paste.
yeah, this is centimeters. Okay. Sorry. I forgot to change. Okay. If we convert from meters to centimeters, multiply by 100.
100.
If centimeters to meters, divide 100. If meters to centimeters, multiply by 100. Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Example, convert 23 meters to centimeters. Convert 23 meters to centimeters.
Equal.
Okay, you can tell us your answer there. If you can solve it quickly. What's the answer?
300.
Very good. Very good. That's correct. So 2,300 centimeters. Okay, 2,300 centimeters. Another example here. Another example. Convert 45 meters to centimeters. So 45 times 100 equals 45 times 100.
Equal.
4,500.
Very good. That's correct. Very good. 4,500 centimeters. Okay. So that's how we convert meters to centimeters. Okay. Next, let's proceed to the next one. This one. Conversion from meters to kilometers. Okay. From meters to kilometers, divide by 1,000, the length in meters. Because 1,000 meters equivalent to 1 kilometer. So divide by 1,000. Example, 6,000 meters to kilometers.
Equal.
6 kilometers.
Okay. 6,000
Six.
divided by 6. Very good. That's correct. 6,000 meters equals 6 kilometers. Another example here. just divide by 1,000. 2,000 meters to kilometers.
Two. Two.
Two.
Okay, 2. Very good. 2,000 divided by 1,000 equals 2. 2 kilometers. All right. So that's how we convert from meters to kilometers. How about conversion from kilometers to meters? Okay, how about this one? From kilometer to meter. So multiply by 1,000. Okay,
Why?
because 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. So multiply by 1,000. Example, convert 3 kilometers to meters.
Equal three
Three.
3,000.
3,000.
Okay, very good. 3,000. Okay, very good. So 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meters. So 3 times 1,000. So the answer is 3,000 meters. Another example here. Convert 5 kilometers to meters. 5 kilometers to meters times 1,000 equals
5,000. 5,000.
Okay, easy? Very easy? Hello? Do you understand? Is it easy?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Very good. Now, let's proceed to your workbook. Everybody open your book. Page 138. 138 to 139. 138 to 139. Okay. Number one. Number one. Okay, number one. Let's convert the following from millimeters to centimeters. Okay, if you have answer already, what is it? Do you know? You can tell us here. We will answer together. 90 millimeters. How many centimeters? So 90.
9 centimeters.
90
9 centimeters.
divided by 10. 90 divided by 10 equals 9 centimeters. Number two, number one, letter B. 120 millimeters. So 120 divided by 10.
12.
12.
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. Okay, letter C. Letter C. 20 millimeters. Divide 10. 20 divided by 10.
2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters.
2 centimeters. Letter D. Letter D.
5 centimeters. 5 centimeters.
50 divided by 10. 5 centimeters. Okay, just divide 10. Divide 10. If conversion from millimeters to centimeters. Letter E, the last one, 200 millimeters to centimeters.
20 centimeters. 20 centimeters.
Very good. 20 centimeters. All right, let's go to number 2. Number 2, this is conversion from centimeters to millimeters. Centimeters to millimeters. So this one, 1,000. This is times 10. Times 10. Okay. 1,320 centimeters. how many millimeters? Anybody? What is your answer?
I have finished.
Okay. We can just add 0 here. What's the answer?
Okay.
1,000.
13,200. 200.
Okay. 13,200 millimeters. Letter B. Letter B. 3,259 times 10. Guide, that's wrong. Times 10, what's the answer?
32,590 millimeter.
Very good. 32,590 millimeters. Mm. Symbol, millimeters. Next, letter C. What's your answer here? 1,010 centimeters. Mini, yeah, that's correct. It's correct, mini. 10,100 millimeters. Okay. Letter D. Letter D. 52 centimeters. How many millimeters? Times 10.
502.
520 millimeters.
502. 520 fresh. 520 millimeters. Last, 21 centimeters. How many millimeters?
210.
210 millimeters.
Oh, very good. 210 millimeters. Right? Easy? Okay, that's the answer. Let's go to number 3. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, this one. Match column A to column B. You have already here example. You have already here example.
It's not finished.
Okay. All right. So look at here. You can see here. You change here into cm, centimeters, and this one is m. Okay. Hello, are you following? Here is m, millimeters. This
Yes.
one, the first one is centimeters. The book is wrong, no? You need to change here. So letter A is this one, correct? You change,
Correct.
yeah, you change it into centimeters
Correct.
because this one is millimeters. So this one should be centimeters. Okay? Change to cm, centimeters. And here, because maybe this one. Okay, letter B is this one, correct? So change it into millimeters. Yes, and letter C is this one. Very good. That's correct.
Yes.
All right, let's go to letter number 4. Number 4. Let's go to conversion from centimeters to meters. What is the? This is divide by 100. Divide by 100. Okay, 3,300 centimeters. How many meters?
33 meters. Equal 33.
Okay, 33 meters. Letter B, 700 centimeters. How many meters?
7 meters.
7 meters.
7 meters. Letter C, 6,000 centimeters. How many meters?
60 meters.
60 meters.
60 meters.
Okay, divide 100. 60 meters. Okay, letter D, 6,100.
61 meters.
61 meters.
Very good. 61 meters. Divide 100. Okay. 300 meters. Divide 100.
3 meters.
3 meters.
300 centimeters is equal to 3 meters. Very easy, right? Okay. Next, let's go to number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Okay, letter A. We are now converting from meters to centimeters. 123 meters times, this is times 100. Okay, what's the answer? Just
Okay,
add,
I know.
just add 2 zeros. Just add 2 zeros. So, the answer is
0, 1,
12,300.
2, 3,
Correct? What's that? 123,000? Just add 2 zeros. Just add 2 zeros. Okay. Times 100.
in the book. This in the example.
Yes, what's the example? 3,000. Add 2 zeros is 300,000. Okay? Correct? 123 times 100 is 12,300. Number or letter B. What's the answer? Letter B is times 100.
Teacher, in example is time 1,000.
This not times 1,000. This is meters to centimeters. Times 100 only. Times 100 only. Guide. Times 100 only. This is meters to centimeters. The example here, 3,000, right? 3,000 meters times 100. Oh, what is the answer? 3,000 times 100. So 300,000. 300,000, the example. Okay. Guide, are you listening? So we add 2 zeros here. You have 3 already zeros. Cut here. We add 2 zeros. Okay. Get it? Guide. Are you still confused? 3,000 times 100, 300,000. So 123 times 100 is 12,300. Okay. Oh, come on. Our time is running. Oh, 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make it faster. Okay, just follow teacher here. 6,789,900 centimeters. Okay, 9 meters. How many centimeters? Excuse me. How many centimeters?
900 centimeters.
900 centimeters. 23 meters. Just add 2 zeros. 2,300. 362 times 100. 36,200 centimeters. Okay. Okay. Last. No more time. I'm sorry, class. You just continue there. Okay. No more time. So we will finish this next time. Huh? And also this one. Compare this by writing greater than and less than. Okay. So continue answering this. We don't have enough time. So we will check next time if your answer is correct. All right. So that's all for this morning about conversion or converting units of length. Do you have questions? No questions? No more time. Less than 1 minute. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 bye.